The best team in the Western Conference, the Chicago Blackhawks, are in Denver at Pepsi Center tonight to face the Colorado Avalanche for the 5th and final time of this season. Long pass out to center by Boschman, tipped in by Joe Colborn. He gets to it, gets a shot, as Darling was kind of caught in no man's land behind the net. Being chased by Nick Schmaltz. Puck back to the point, sent across, panic shoots, and a kick-out save made by Pickard. December 3rd by Dallas. Here's a chance, a wraparound opportunity, and that's why he's leading San Antonio in points. He's got explosive speed. Pass over towards Kane. He's got 7 this season. Good hustle from Landeskog, and backhander went wide. Darling got enough of it. He did the snow angel right in front of the net to make that save on Landeskog's short-handed bid. Now he's still making his way through, but I was just reading a big article on him today, and the fact that they've had a chance. There's a chance for Panarin, and he scores. It's a power play goal for Chicago. Well, they only had 3 shots during the first period of play, but they get one early here in the second, made by Pickard. Hawks up 1-0, an early second period power play goal from Panarin. Shot bounced, and then goes wide to the net. Back, he comes in with speed, cuts wide, and then shoots wide. And the puck around the boards, Hartman. That hit something just right where the door was opening. Hartman backhanded, scores! Right at the door. Did it hit a player? Did it hit something? Because it came right back to Hartman. That doesn't happen. He doesn't get a chance to go in and score.
It hit the player's skate that was going off the ice.
And just like that, Chicago's ahead 2-0. Nieto through the circle for Duchesne. Comes wide on Campbell, cuts in and gets a shot away. Quick pass to center for Kane. He gets into the zone. Nice poke check by Erik Johnson. Quick pass, a bite. Stretching, Grimaldi is in. Shot, set, rebound, shot, another shot. Hell, he got robbed. How did he get robbed? What an effort, though. Rocco Grimaldi, what an effort. And again, 3 salary cap as well.
But no overtime. No overtime wins. And
there's a breakaway chance for Kruger. Shot, score. It is 3-0 Chicago.
Just a perfect puck up the ice.
And in a blink of an eye, it's 3-0 for Chicago.
Seconds of the second period.
Even overtime. The puck brought in. There's a chance, and another nice save made by Pickard. Deflected high off the glass by Pickard. Back to Seabrook. 2-on-1 the other way. Nieto and Duchesne. The pass. Duchesne scores! He snapped off a shot on that pass from Nieto. Beats Darling. It's a short-handed goal. And the Avs are now trailing 3-1. Is that also the last game before HDTV? Yeah. It's a little blurry there. Shot by Duchesne. The save by Darling gets another. Hawks do have a power play and a giveaway. The Landeskog, he cuts in and shot stopped. Wraparound shot. Score! 2 short-handed goals in this period. Landeskog goal. That makes it 3-2. They might just start taking more penalties.
The Avalanche, 3-0.
It looked like they were dead.
It looked like it was over. And all of a sudden, boy, a couple of shorthanded goals by 2 of their key guys. They're right back in it.
25 seconds to go in the period. Jordan, wraparound chance. Pickard, nice save.
Well, with 17 seconds to go in this period, that was a big sequence for Calvin Pickard.
Barberio does his best to keep the puck in the zone. Knocked it out of midair. Duchesne back in. Goal! What a pass from Duchesne. And Grigorenko has tied the game at 3. Matt Duchesne is having a whale of a game tonight for the Avalanche.
He really is. That is just such a nice play.
McKinnon spins off a hit. Pass to Jost, caught it in his skate, stays with it, gives it to McKinnon. Pass in front here to Draghetto, and the chance was denied. He gets it back, one-timer, and scramble for the loose puck. It comes free, and Draghetto's got it for the Avalanche. Back to the point, Barry. Top of the circle for McKinnon. To Joe, center, comfort shot. I can't believe he made that save. He was down on the ice and he made the save. Boy, has he been good tonight. He has made some really outstanding saves. Shoots it to the net. Save made by Darling. Andrighetto, here's a chance. Save made by Darling on Jones. 25 seconds to go. Here it goes for Chicago to the point. Seabrook shoots and reaching out with that left hand. Pickard makes the save.
Oh, that was deflected too, Mike. It bounced down and up on Pickard.
McKinnon with Barry and Andrighetto. Barry one-on-one shot. That went off the post. It went off the post. Gets the puck to Taves. He stick handles in. And Kane is left. Shot missed. Boy, Taves just walked right in and ripped a shot that missed the net. Campbell skates into the corner. Rubbed up against the boards. And the puck taken away smoothly by Duchesne. Continues to have one of his best games in a while. Johnson picking up speed. Oh, he got smacked by Hossa, but he carries the puck in. Shots go! Erik Johnson, coast to coast, and the winner. He went from goal line to goal line, and for the second consecutive home game, the Avalanche win. After a tie through 60 minutes, last time in a shootout tonight, in an overtime winner by Erik Johnson to beat the Chicago Blackhawks.
Just a great last half of this hockey game for the Colorado Avalanche. The fans, shorthanded goals. Duchesne was great. Johnson, a great rush up the ice. Everybody seemed to be involved in it.